you encounter any problem with provision, you can call the LLU CMC and follow the voice prompts for the type of circuit with which you are dealing. For problems with repair tasks, call the LLU CMC and follow the voice prompts. You must be prepared to give either the PSTN number, LLU circuit ID, example LLL W000123445, task force GIN or CSS order number, example ABC123LW. Some useful points worth remembering are firstly, when LLU circuits were initially being installed on MDFs, SMPF circuits were built with TAMs. This practice was stopped in 2005. Therefore, there may be circuits existing where 3 jumpers have been provided. If you're faulting one of these circuits, the TAM jumpers may be removed from the circuit and the circuit can be jumpered as with current practice. In other words, from EN to LLUL and LLUT to bar pair. However, CSS must be amended to show the changes so that TAM can be reallocated as necessary. Please remember that BT is a communications provider, CP, in the same way that any other CP provides services to an end user. Blocks on the MDF may be marked as ADSL, but ADSL in D-side blocks are to be treated the same as LLUL blocks, and ADSL out E-side are the same as LLUT. MPF and SMPF circuit faults will appear as a frame fault on task force under the control of the LLU repair CMC. The easiest way to check an SMPF circuit is to trace the BT dial tone from the EN to the bar pair using the diagrams included on this CD. For MPF circuits, use an oscillator and amplifier set. This is the sequence of travel for a dial tone for SMPF circuits, LLU line share. From the EN, maybe via tie pairs, to the D side of the MDF, where the CP's equipment is terminated on a tie cable. The LLU tie cable will be designated LLUL followed by a 6-digit number. This block is cabled away to the CP's equipment, where the telephone circuit is merged with their DSL signal and returned to the MDF E side on a block marked LLUT, followed by a 6-digit number. The LLUL and LLUT cables will be different numbers to each other, but the pair for your circuit will almost always be the same on both cables. There are exceptions and you should be aware of them. You will therefore expect to find your circuit on the LLUT cable. From there, this jumper is connected to the bar pair, where the shared signal goes out to line. Pre-2005, 3 jumper SMPFs are jumpered to the D-side TAM block, TAM in, then the E-side TAM block, TAM out, to the bar pair. Pairs for the TAM will be the same on both sides. When retesting these circuits after working on them, please use fast test to ascertain whether the circuit is now clear. We have included a simple faulting guide which you can print out if you wish.